Phil Bowden. I'm the agronomist with Murrumbidgee Landcare. What we're about here is trying to encourage all the natural enemies to help us with the pests that we have to deal with on a regular basis within the crops. Well, the pest insects that we're dealing with, I guess, things like the caterpillars, a lot of the mites, red-legged earth mite and blue oat mite are very common to start with. We get aphids very regularly in a lot of crops that can have negative effects, not just for their damage that they do themselves, but also that they vector some of the virus diseases that we commonly see in a lot of our cereals and canola crops. Some of the natural enemies we'd like to see encouraged, a lot of the wasp species in particular, a lot of them are either parasitic or predatory. We've got other species like brown and green lacewing, we've got lady beetles, lots of different lady beetle species. We've got hoverflies and a range of predatory beetles and shield bugs. The main thing for me is the reduction in chemical use. Like insecticide sprays are often used intermittently when we see these pest outbreaks. Farmers don't like using those chemicals in the first place. They're often very toxic and they can have wide-ranging effects on the environment as well. So not just the target insects that we're trying to control, but the other insects that are native to the area, natural enemies to a lot of other species. These regeneration areas along the creek lines and even a lot of the planted tree lots and tree lines that are in paddocks, by leaving them, not grazing them, they will build up a good understory. Planting species that have long flowering periods can help. They all go to provide resources to those beneficial insects so they can build up numbers and then head into the crop to help with the pest control.